Hello everyone, my name is Tawheed and you are watching Tawheed Tech. In this unboxing video, we are checking out all the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. This phone color is black. Apple claimed that is made of grade 5 titanium material and now sporting a USB-C, which is a big improvement by Apple this year, getting rid of lightning cable in iPhone 15 series. I'm going to check out everything new in this year, but first thing first, I'm going to unbox the iPhone 15 first. So I ordered this one on Apple Online UK website and I got delivery within 3 weeks. And I'm also going to use the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is a MagSafe. And I'm also going to apply the tempered glass, which is a touch sensitive and fingerprint proof, impact and shutter resistant by Basis. And let's unbox the brown box first. So let's take the inner box out first. So this is the box I got when I ordered over the Apple. So as soon as you lift this up, the box is going to lift a little bit up so you can take easily. So let's put that box on the side. So guys, this phone color is black. As I mentioned earlier on, we ordered two different phones. Both of them is a iPhone 15 Pro Max. One is a black color and one is a titanium. So I'm going to also compare both of the colors and I will show you in a few minutes. So let's open up this, peel this little tab out on both sides. So as soon as you remove the top lid, you will see the phone itself. This is a iPhone 15 Pro black titanium. So let's put one on the side for a second. And there's a V pocket inside. Says designed by Apple. And there's a SIM injector tool in there. And there's a few booklets in there and one single Apple sticker. This is very important. And there's also very nice nylon braided USB-C to USB-C cable. So this is a black titanium finish on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's peel off the front screen first. So first of all, I'm going to apply the tempered glass before we proceed further. So guys, before we start setup and proceed further, we are going to apply the tempered glass. So let's open up this. So inside this box, it's very nice packing. We got a one pocket just like that. There's a screen protector instruction in there. Step by step, you have to follow the step in there. We got the cage with that one. And let's open up this envelope. There is a cleaning wipe inside and tools. Nothing else inside. Very nice packing. So we also have the tempered glass in there. We just have to align. We have to place our phone inside and align with the camera, and then we just pull up the tab. So first of all, what we're going to do is we are going to use a cleaning kit and wipe out any dust is on our phone screen. So as you can see, when I peel the top sticker out, so you can see so many dust particles in there. So let's clean out that first. So there's a two sticker for the dust absorber and there should be wet wipe inside. Says steer off from here. So this is quite strong alcohol in there, quite strong smell in there. So we have to wipe it down first nicely. I'm going to use a V sticker to take all the extra dust out. So let's align this one in there. So we have to align just like that and press our phone inside the box just like that. And what we have to do is just pull the top out just like that. As you can see, just pull a little bit hard and then you just press it down just like that. As you can see, it's spreading across the screen just like that. And then just push a little bit hard just like that. There's a V tabs in there and both sides just like that, and take the other part out just like that. And then we just peel off the top part just like that, and then just press a little bit just like that. There's one tiny dust particle in there, but nothing else on the screen anywhere else. So this is how you apply the temper glass. So guys, here is a iPhone 15 Pro Max. Set it up and restored with my old data to the newer iPhone. So there's a few physical update this year, so let me show you that. First of all, the housing and the frame of this phone is titanium, and Apple claimed to have the same tough glass back on this iPhone. But I seen the other YouTube video from the jerry rig everything, he just bent the back of the iPhone glass just with the thumb force, so it's breakable easily. So it's not a super tough on the back. So although I have noticed there is some decoloration around the power buttons and around the other side of the buttons, which is just on the black and the blue colors. So let's talk about another two massive upgrades on iPhone 15 Pro Max. First one is, so Apple ditched the old silent ringer switch, and instead you have a single customizable side button that you can set it up to do a bunch of different things. And as soon as you update the phone and set it up, you will came across this screen to customize the action button in there. So you can customize the action button just like that. You can select the silent mode in there, switch between ringer and call alerts, just pressing that, and you can use as a torch. You can do shortcut zoom in zoom out button, and there's no action, so you can continue and you can set it up in the setting. I will show you that in a moment. So previously iPhone was stainless steel and had the polished edges that attract a lots of fingerprints, and this new material handle the fingerprints a bit better than a stainless steel. So massive iPhone like that, 15 Pro Max, is will way lighter in a hand. This is actually 19 gram lighter this year compared to iPhone 14 Pro Max. I like the black color, pretty nice. And if you are curious, here is a natural finish on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is sort of just a plain bare metal look compared with the black color. So both of the phone looks great, nice, clean, with the new titanium material and new frosted colors. So there's a bunch of other colors available. You got blue, natural, black, titanium, and white color. Let's dive into the two biggest physical change this year. First is the action button. Let me demo that for you. So this is a tiny physical button that can replace with a ringer switch, and when you set it up, the phone head on to into the setting, you can set the action button to do one or few different things. The action button now require a press and hold. A quick press does not do anything but tell you to hold it longer. By default, the action button still enable and disable silent mode. If you set the action button to anything else, your silent switch will be a shortcut and control center menu. One thing Apple did not really change on the iPhone 15 Pro Max this year is a display. We once again have the LTPO Super Retina XDR screen with HDR10 and Dolby Vision. Content support with the max brightness remain 1008 for the user adjustable option, up to 2008 of the peak auto brightness. The Pro Max still has the same 2796 by 1290 resolution. It's a super smooth and responsive 120 Hz ProMotion display. It's a very bold, vibrant and colorful looking display for all kind of content. Powering the new iPhone Pro Max this year is of course with the new super powerful processor Apple A7 Pro chip. We also get 8 GB of RAM this year instead. So you also get all the new ISO 17 feature. Of course, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has just tiny bit bigger battery size, 4422 milliamp versus 4320 in the iPhone 14 Pro Max last year. Both phone wired and wireless charging speeds are the same. Even the USB-C in iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max will be better battery life, but you will see through under the battery setting now there's ability to set on 80% charge limit to help you reduce a battery life cycle and better battery optimization. Finally, the iPhone 14 Pro Max camera improved hardware wise, though this year there's actually no major difference. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has the same triple lens feature camera. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has the same triple lens camera features, a 40 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel telephoto lens and 12 megapixel ultra wide. So in iPhone 15 Pro Max, the picture and the video quality improved. You now have the option to capture 24 and 48 megapixel photos, which is a change from 12 megapixel option last year models, and you can save them in high efficiency image format instead of just a raw. The main camera lens can also set specially to 24 millimeter, 28 millimeter and 35 millimeter focal length, which you can do simply tapping on 1x icon just like that, or a couple of times, or by holding and tuning the zoom dial just like that. One more important thing to mention, the iPhone 15 Pro Max also get the 5x telephoto zoom capability. You will notice most of the camera improvement while actually you start using and snapping the pictures and the video. And I will be making iPhone 15 Pro Max review video and camera review video separately soon. So guys, I'm also going to test it out Smeagol phone cover case. Let's open up that. So this is a phone case with the MagSafe charging. You can use the wireless charging, and you can see through all the internals inside the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's try on this one first, and we'll see if the fit in there. So as you can see, it's fit perfectly fine. Even I put the lens tempered glass on, and it's aligned perfectly well in there, as you can see, and also with the tempered glass, and it's perfectly fine with the case. There's no lift up on the tempered glass. So guys, this is my unboxing video of iPhone 15 Pro Max Black Titanium. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the further future upcoming video notification. And I will see you in next one. Thanks for watching.